Congressman Gomez, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mayor Jed, will it be okay if I ask you some questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I was also a mayor during the time that you were mayor on your last term.
Yes, Your Honor.
And there are just some things that I'd like to ask. First, are you convinced that during the year 2016, our country, the Philippines, was already in a narco state?
Do I recognize it?
Do you think that the country was already in a narco state at that time?
Your Honor, I was mayor of the city of Iloilo. What I could speak of, Your Honor, because I don't have the data in the national level.
Yes.
So all that I have is as far as the city of Iloilo is concerned, Your Honor.
With regards to Iloilo, during your term, was Iloilo drug-free or drug-cleared?
Your Honor, there were existing drug personalities in the city of Iloilo. But as what I've stated earlier, Your Honor, that as far as being mayor is concerned, the function is for policies and
Yes.
guidelines, while the enforcement is based on PIDEA and the police and the PNP, Your Honor. And every month, we conduct our anti-drug abuse councils meetings, wherein the PIDEA regional director would report, as well as the Philippine National Police would also submit and do their own presentations on the report. And while Iloilo City recognized, but as I've said, Your Honor, the report of the PIDEA then regional director, Paul Ledesma, said that Iloilo was only number third least affected in the country, Your Honor. So, and since they are in charge of all the data, I believed in him, Your Honor.
So, Mayor, will you agree with me if I say that a city can be drug-cleared or drug-free if the mayor wants it to be, together with the help of the PNP?
Yes, Your Honor, but again, enforcement and the enforcement, as mandated by law, is done by PIDEA and the PNP. And yes, Your Honor, this representation has, in several meetings, which is in our, in the agenda, in the minutes of the meeting, that I have called the attention of both PIDEA and PNP to address this matter, Your Honor. And again, the reports are that, especially from PIDEA, that Iloilo City was the third least affected. And so, I believed in him, Your Honor.
Yes, the PNP is under the supervision of the mayor. Therefore, if we really would like to strongly fight drugs, a mayor can do so, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. As a matter of fact, during my time, Your Honor, as mayor, I gave everything that both the PNP and PIDEA asked for in terms of logistics, including support in their using the intel funds of that is allocated from the local government, that is with the local government, Your Honor.
In spite of all the things that we do as mayors, Mayor Jed, what do you think is really the problem why drugs has continued to proliferate inside a city?
As what I've said earlier, Your Honor, it's the system that has not been established. Your Honor, if I may say, in the local government code, the minimum requirement of a local chief executive is only 20 years old. You can already be elected as mayor, Your Honor.
Municipal mayor, yes.
Municipal mayor. And there are about 1,000 mayors all over the country. Your Honor, when I sat as mayor, the DILG has made seminars, guidelines on what to do on good governance. But never have I attended, Your Honor, anything about illegal drugs from the law enforcement agencies, meaning from PIDEA or from PNP. So what I'm trying to say, Mayor, is, Your Honor, is that for us to be able, as mayors or local chief executives, to be able to be equipped with the knowledge on how to address illegal drugs, we have to undergo that orientation, training, or seminar
Yes.
from the Philippine National Police or even from the PIDEA on how to address them or even to formulate these policies, Your Honor.
Mayor Jed, you've been out of the country for 7 years, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And when did you come back?
Just this September 10, Your Honor.
Oh, because I wanted to ask if you'll be able to compare the situation in 2016 and right after you came back in the country, if there's a big difference or if there is a difference with regards to the problem of drugs, let's say in your city.
I have no data to
Yes, because you just
support
came back.
my...
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor.
I respect that. Mr. Chair, I asked this question simply for us to see the track record of the former mayor of Iloilo. And in the next hearing, Mr. Chair, I'd like to be given the opportunity to ask more questions. Thank you so much, Mayor Jed. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Congressman Gomez.